noise. It's like,
so many noises. Do you hear
I'm
that?
gonna double check. Let's triple check that I have a recording. Right, I don't hear anything, Lily.
I swear.
It's your imagination.
I swear. I hear a noise from up there. You can't tell me you don't hear that. Hey guys! Today we're going to be making a soap-powered mini boat. You're going to need something like a foam butcher tray, like the kind that meat comes in from H-E-B, or heavy non-corrugated cardboard, like a heavy card paper. I used the back of a memo pad for mine. You're also going to need some liquid dish soap, some water, something to contain the water in that your boat can sail on, and something like a toothpick to put the soap on with. I'm going to use a paintbrush because that's what I had at hand.
What's it called?
Non-corrugated cardboard.
Non-corrugated cardboard.
Like heavy cardstock, heavy card paper. Was that a crack or a scratch? Because a crack could be. No, it's a scratch.
Maybe it's a scratch. What we may try to do.
So the shape you want to cut your boat in is kind of like a general boat shape, and this notch in the back is important because that's where you're going to put the soap to make your boat go. So you've got your dish soap, you've got your paintbrush or toothpick, get a little bit of the dish soap, and just paint it on the inside of this notch. And that's your fuel. Place the boat on the water and watch it go.
My mask smells good.
Does it?
Yes, I don't know what it is.
If you want to do this a second time with a variable changed, you'll need to empty out your container and wash all of the soap out of it. Otherwise, it won't work.
Hey, why did that happen?
Let's talk about why that happened. Soap is something called a surfactant. That means that it breaks up the surface tension of the water that you put the boat on. And when that happens, when the surface tension is broken, it creates enough force to propel the boat, which is very lightweight. And that's why it moves. Now, this was just a demonstration. If you want to make it an experiment, increase your variables.
Increase your variables.
That's what makes a demonstration into science. Yeah, because otherwise it's just playing.
If you can't show it, you don't know it.
Increase your variables.
Increase your variables. That's where we're at.
Right. For instance, does liquid soap work better than solid soap? Does the temperature of the water affect the experiment? And what kind of material makes the best floating boat?
You're doing fine.
I struggle with the outro.
What's to do with outros?
I'm almost done. I hope you guys have as much fun experimenting with this as I did demonstrating it. See you next week!
I just hear the AC.
No, there it is.
Like a drop or something?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard that.
I told you.